Can we already guess what I'm gonna be? Well, I mean, you've already seen. You've already seen with the title sequence, but that wasn't there. Would you have been able to tell? Strictly based on how I look. Let's zoom you in a little bit. So very first thing is starting out with brows. A lot more structured than I would normally do them. Very pencil-like. There's a big portion of me that just feels like I'm from a single woman, which is really sad. But like, you guys know what I mean. Hopefully. Like, I get it. It's the 90s, it was a different time. But it is so incredibly weird to have brows this sculpted and like this straight, and I wish I could do that eyebrow thing. Anyways. After setting these, I'm going into the eyes. Now I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with the eyes. I'll be right back. Well, I did one off camera. Thank you. I primed my lid using a white cream liner and blended it out with the heat of my finger. A very fluffy brush and blended a very light blue into my crease, into a more dramatic type of wing, and into the inner corner of my eye. Once I had enough of that blended out, I packed on some darker cobalt blue into the outer third and a bit into my crease, and further blended that out with the original fluffy brush. With a pure white and a packing brush, I'm putting that between the initial first blue and my brows to really define them. For the last bit of shadow, coming in with some seafoam greeny blue shimmer with my finger to really pack it on. To my bottom waterline, I am simply using a black kohl liner and dragging all of those previously used eyeshadows down. Then a very thin liquid liner on top, just on the lash line, no wing. Mascara on my bottom and top lashes. For my lips, I went all in. Not just a bright ass red, but a metallic bright ass red. JANINE LINDEMULDER, I hope I'm not butchering her name, definitely has some blush tones going on. Not only did I do one layer, but I went in for a second. I packed that shit on and added what was left on my finger to other areas. Anyways, onto the faux tattoo. I am strictly going off of one specific picture, so it's not exact, it's whatever. And I want to make sure that it shows up when I'm pulling on this. W to start. That's a win. Should have prefaced this by saying I have no artistic talent when it comes to pictures. I don't paint, I don't do anything like that. Alright, that's it. I should quit my full-time job to do butterfly tattoos. Yep, that's what I should do. I really am sweating the absolute most. Okay. And finally, the hair. This is a look. It's not even a proper hat. Oh, it is. It's just gotta be propped up. Okay. Now I gotta clip it down. Again. I am so unaware of how to put these costumes together. Oh god. Which is probably a good thing from my dad's perspective at least. If he's even made it this far into the video, that is. Hope you guys like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys. Okay. Yeah, I 110% look like a really weird Nurse Joy. Like, y'all ready for this?